This video explains how to boost the hot water in the apartment. Now you'll find it in a cupboard. So you'll find the water heater and you'll see this panel here. Now please ensure that you don't turn off these switches, so they're all on and you can see the lights are on. If you turn them off, then the water heater is turned off. So to boost the water, you just come to this button here. Now this button could either be in the cupboard next to the water heater or within the cupboard. So here you have boost and you have 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. So if you're on your own, you may find only 15 minutes is needed. But if you have more than one person, you may want to do half an hour, 1 hour, or 2 hours, depending on how many people are here. And that will heat up this part of this tank. Now the tank is on a timer, so it does heat up throughout the day. But if you've used up the hot water through having an extended shower, then you can always boost it to get more. And to do this, you just push this and you'll see the blue light come on. Push again, that's half an hour, and it keeps going up. And then you've got 4 hours there. And then if you wish to cancel, you just push this button again and it will turn it all off. And that's how to boost the hot water for the water heater. Thank you.